Did you find out anything? Oh no. When will you find out then? You all are worthless. You can't do anything right. You still don't have any news about Sushant. Such a big team, but still they can't find one person. Useless people.
Yes, sir. I'm fully sure that he was a member of the Raichand family.
To die for love.
What happened? You are going on missing the target. Learn it from me. You have hit the target. I made Arohi's brother sever all his ties with her.
Why did you need to do all of this without asking me? Do you know anything could have happened? Anything? Her family members could have felt that the woman who came to their house to hit the kid can't be Arohi. They could have felt suspicious. Please try to understand that. Don't increase my problems. I'm already in a lot of problems. You know what? Laksh is wanting to be friends with Arohi, taking her into confidence. He's trying to brainwash her against me. Do you understand the meaning of this?
You are feeling bad that someone else is befriending
Oh,
her.
please stop it, Tara. Stop it. I don't know when your jealousy will come to an end. I'm only scared that if Lakshya is wanting to be friends with Arohi, it means that he's not doubting her. I changed the ashtray and also etched Arohi's fingerprints on it. Even then, the police isn't taking any action against her. This could prove to be dangerous for us, Tara. We'll have to take some big step now to make the police suspect Arohi.
What are you about to do?
Shopping.
Did you find out anything? Oh no. When will you find out then? You all are worthless. You can't do anything right. You still don't have any news about Sushant. Such a big team, but still they can't find one person. Useless people.
Yes, sir. I'm fully sure that he was a member of the Raichand family.
God, I am absolutely fine today. All the problems will come to an end today onwards. Please shower your blessings on me. I'll also meet my brother and sister-in-law today. I'll talk to them and reveal the entire truth to them. I'm fully sure that they will forgive me. And Niku too is injured. You please heal Niku soon. He's a kid and he has injured his head. I don't know how he tolerated it. But please make everything fine. Please fix everything.
Arohi?
Wow, Arohi. Hats off to you. There couldn't have been a better way than this to apologize. You rid everyone of their sorrows by dropping the tea. You have made up for that.
I didn't understand, Mom.
Arohi, there's nothing to understand about this. You brought this gift for us, right? The designs of these saris and dresses are really very nice. Arohi, your choice is very nice.
I brought this? But when did I bring this?
Mom, Diya, I had bought all of this to give you on Arohi's behalf, to give you as a gift.
That's why I was wondering, why is Arohi so shocked?
She must be wondering how she forgot about the shopping. just like she forgets other things.
Deep, are you hiding something from me? Look at me, Deep. Did you really bring all these gifts? Or did I bring it and forget it like always? Please tell me, Deep.
Hello, Mr. Raichan. I'm sorry, Raichan family, to interrupt you like this. But what can I do? I'm a police officer. I'll have to do my duty. Mrs. Arohi Raichan, you are under arrest.
Under arrest? What nonsense! How can you arrest Arohi? What did she do?
What did she do? It would be better if you don't ask. What is the saying, rich people, poor deeds? Nobody can imagine the daughter-in-law of Raichan family would stoop so low.
Will you just tell proverbs? Or say something?
Lambu,
Sir, she's the same woman who stole things from my shop.
Stealing? Me? Deep, I didn't commit any theft. I don't even know you. I'm seeing you first time. I never came to your shop. Inspector, I didn't steal anything. I'm telling the truth. I didn't do anything.
you know every thief claims that he is innocent.
You worthless man! What are you saying? You are falsely accusing my wife? How dare you!
Mr. Deep Raichan, get hold of yourself. We'll find out who did this. You could also be arrested for assaulting him if you don't leave his collar. Leave him.
Inspector, you are trying your level best to defame my family. When you found nothing, then you came here to accuse us of theft? What proof do you have that Arohi has done all of this?
You want proof, Lambu? Come on, see it for yourself.
Who is this girl? Her face is not clear. Oh God, she's really Arohi.
What kind of clothes is she wearing?
No, Deep. This is not possible, Deep. This can't be possible. I'm a thief. This is not possible. This is not possible.
The shop's salesman is also here as a witness, and this video is an evidence. So, Mr. Deep Raichan, are these proofs enough, or do you still need something more?
Look, Whatever my wife did, whatever the amount is, I'll pay off the entire amount to you. Please withdraw this case.
Had you not grabbed my collar, then I would have withdrawn the case. Do you know? She will definitely go behind bars.
See, I beg in front of you. It's a matter of our reputation. I'm ready to pay the full amount. You please take this case back.
Deep.
Take this, please.
Sir, may I take this FIR back now?
Sure. As you wish.
Thank you, sir.
Money can make you do anything. It is so strange. A millionaire who can buy an entire store. His wife was caught shoplifting. Next time when Mrs. Deep Raichand goes to shop, give her a checkbook or a credit card. Or else she will be arrested for being a habitual shoplifter.
Love and Destiny are calling. Watch the full episode of To Die for Love now. A new episode of Passion and Secrets unfolds every Monday to Friday. Subscribe today and stay with us on this unforgettable journey.